Let's also tell our viewers about this information that is about mixing of two vaccines. Now, as per sources, government's subject expert panel has recommended granting permission to Christian Medical College in Vellore for conducting a clinical trial on mixing of both COVID vaccines. We're talking about Covaxin and Covishield. Ayushman, what more can you tell us? We know that there were talks about mixing the two vaccines. There were examples being cited from across the world. And finally, we know that as per sources, permission has been granted to conduct a clinical trial.
Well, it is very important to highlight here that mixing of doses doesn't mean that one dose of vaccine will be mixed with other. It clearly means that interchangeability of vaccine will be allowed, which means that if you are taking one dose of Covishield, you can take the other dose of Covaxin. Whether or not it is possible, this is to be seen in the study protocol that has been proposed by CMC Vellore, whose application was taken yesterday by the regulators, and they have gone through the application and the permission has finally been given, and a study protocol has been designed in CMC Vellore where they will be studying as to how these two doses of vaccine can be given at a separate amount of time to see how cell-mediated response is there against COVID-19. And if it is successful, a lot amount of development is going to be seen in the next coming few months, because India has a vaccine manufacturing crunch, and if at all that is available, we have Covishield available in the abundant amount, and Covaxin in certain parts we are facing the deficiency somewhere. To tighten up that loose end, the health ministry and the government will be focusing upon this study. But this is something which is very far right now, because currently there has been a lot of talk about mixing of doses, and perhaps this is one study which is going to do and research in this aspect to understand how the interchangeability of vaccine can actually provide immunity against COVID-19, for which the permission has been given from the regulator side in India.
All right, thank you so much, Ayushman, for simplifying that for us and bringing us up to speed with the steps that are being taken as per sources about mixing of two doses of Covaxin and Covishield. Thank you for joining us.